Don't scroll. I got a solution for you today. There is this guy who has been trying to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. And if there's one thing that I know about Adobe is that they make it very impossible to uninstall their products so that you don't go somewhere else and pay money to someone else. So here's what's going on.
So I've got Creative Cloud and it's just constantly loading. So basically my Creative Cloud never loads. So I thought I'll uninstall it and then install it again. How am I look at this? So it's Creative Cloud and I press uninstall. I'll press yes to confirm. And then this comes up. So that's a message telling me I need to uninstall the other Adobes first. So I'll go to uninstall Photoshop. I'll press yes, and then look, it just loads Creative Cloud up again. Which means I need to load Creative Cloud up to uninstall Photoshop, but my Creative Cloud isn't loading up, so I can't uninstall Photoshop, which means I can't uninstall Creative Cloud, which means I don't know what to do.
So first things first, the problem is that if he tries to uninstall Creative Cloud, it tells him that he needs to uninstall other apps first. And if he goes to uninstall the other Adobe apps, then it tells him that you need to go through Creative Cloud, and it brings them back to the same loop. That's no bueno. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the proper way of installing Adobe Creative Cloud. Check this out. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna go to adobe.com, and then you're going to go to Learn and Support, and then go to the Help Center. From here, you're gonna type in Creative Cloud, and the installer. Just like that. That's the very first option. Here, you can go and hit download if you have Windows 11 or 10. And there you have it. That's how you uninstall it. I know this because I deal with this particular issue all the time at my work. I'm in IT support and I support people that are creatives and they use this tool all the time. So it can be a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's not impossible to get rid of. I hope you learned something today. Like and follow for more tips.